Hello everyone, myself Niraj Kalantri, and today I am going to talk about Introduction to Monolithic Kernels. Before that, we need to know what is kernel. A kernel is a computer program which resides in the computer's operating system. It prevents the single process of taking down the system. It has a complete control over the system, and it handles the input output requests from the software, performs the data processing, and also handles the devices such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, etc. Thus, the main functionalities of kernel are memory management, device management, system calls. There are different types of kernels according to the architecture they provide. They are monolithic kernel, microkernel, hybrid kernel, nano kernel, exokernel. The main topic is monolithic kernel. So meaning of mono is one. So this clears that all the parts of the kernel like scheduler, file system, memory management are in one unit. The entire operating system works in the kernel space. There are two types of mode, user mode and kernel mode. Monolithic kernel is generally compared with microkernel in terms of architecture. In monolithic kernel, everything works in a kernel space, while in microkernel, some of the functionalities are in user space and the only important and urgent functionalities are in the kernel space. In monolithic kernel, a single program is needed to perform the every task, and many system calls are provided for the application because many system calls are needed to provide the access to different functionalities. It was traditionally used by Unix operating system. As we can see in the diagram, there are several applications which needed the operating service and device drivers to access. Applications use individual address space, while operating service and device drivers have their own address space, that is the kernel space. So here we can see that any malfunctioning in any application will not cause the integrity difference in operating service. Advantages. As we can see that there is only a single unit which is performing every task, so there is a less involvement of software and thus it can provide much better functionalities. There are also some disadvantages that sometimes it becomes a bit difficult to maintain since there is a single unit. It has the same address space, so a single bug can crash the whole system. So there is an insecurity of a system of crashing. Thank you.